Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about comments. Now comments in Python and in every language are essentially bits of text that do not get run. So you used to write a comment in Python by starting with a hashtag, and then from there you can type anything. So for example, I could write just a normal print hello world, which we learned about in the first video. Now if we write this and we run it, you'll notice that it does nothing. That's my terminal from last time we close it. Notice that nothing happens, except it just runs the program and nothing happens because there's nothing here. Essentially, when this is read by the Python project, nothing is said. So for example, comments can be really important in order to describe a program or to write what's called pseudocode. So today we're going to learn about pseudocode also. What pseudocode is an outline for your program. For example, let's say we wanted to write a program that, I don't know, creates a list of names and moves them to another list. So what we did last time. So what we do is we write just really simple. Now this can be done scaling, obviously. So a really big program would have much more complex pseudocode than a really small program. But we're doing a small one. So what we do to start is we would make a list that we would move from. As you can see, pseudocode is not written in actual script. It's written like this. So then what we need to do is we need to loop through all the elements of the list. Loop. Okay, we loop through the list elements, and then what we do is we would append them to a previously defined new list. So this is pseudocode, and this is how we write. This is how when you're programming, you write the start for a program and create ideas. So I guess we could write this out real quick. So we'll say list. Lists. I guess we'll just call it to make it easy. List will be an empty list that has hello, just like last time. I guess we'll do 12, 13, and 14. And we'll do for idx, comma, lm. This should all look familiar. We did this last time in enumerate list, so we've completed the first and the second step. No, and then what we need to do now is create the third step. So we previously defined new list. I'll be blank, and then what we're going to do is we'll do new list dot append lm, and just like that, we'll print it out, I guess, now just to make sure it worked. Now this allows that. Now what the pseudocode does is it allows us to have. See, look at that. It allows us to basically come up with an outline for what our program will do. Comments can be used to store pseudocode, to store data values, just anything that's not going to be in the actual code. For example, I've used comments in programs that calculate GPA to keep track of what each grade it would be worth for your GPA. Comments can be used for tons of different things, and they're extremely important. So sorry if this video was a little shorter, but I felt like this was important to cover pseudocode and comments. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.